welcome to another Dhoo Banana video. Today I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to tell you why. Us Brits usually have what is called a cuppa, which is a mug with a tea bag in it for their tea. But did you know there is another way? Strained tea. And I'm going to do a tutorial for it today. So, the things you'll need to make strained tea is a teapot that comes with a strainer spot, because this is the strainer. It's kind of a sieve for tea. So you see it's got very tiny holes in it, which means that the tea will get through but the leaves won't. And the other thing you'll need is a type of loose leaf tea. I'm using chai here, so that's what you need. Now, let's get straining. So, I've got the cold water tap on, and I'm going to fill it up with water, as you usually do. Now I'm going to let it steep. And whilst that boils, I'm going to get spoons of tea leaves. 2 spoons would be enough, so you just pop them in the strainer. Like so. Okay, so now my water has boiled. So I'm going to go over to the kettle and just plop the water in, like so. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to let it steep for a bit longer than a cuppa. We're going to let this steep for 5 minutes, so I'm going to set a timer now. Whilst I wait for it to steep, I've got these mugs out. These are very expensive, high quality mugs because they've got a special glass insulation which allows it to stay warm for longer. I've also got granulated sugar and milk out. So now the tea has steeped. Let's pour it in. Oh wow. Look at that gorgeous colour. Got my milk out. And just pour a tiny little bit in. Get a spoon and to stir it. Okay, so now we've got that. Let's put in our sugar. 1 spoonful is usually enough, but you can do more if you like. Give it quite a good stir, otherwise it will settle at the bottom. Alright, now I'll go get set up with my biscuits and stuff, because now is the time to tea. So the only steps remaining is to sit back, relax, and enjoy your loose leaf, full flavour tea.